Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this ECM Giotto espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. The customer didn't bring the tray, so it always makes it a little tricky to test. But here we go. So we get a nice shot of espresso. The main issue was there was a hose inside that was leaking. And also there was a filter that was clogged, water filter that was clogged inside. It was not easy to find the issue. But you see we got a really nice shot of espresso, really good camera, so great machine. Test the steam. Hot water. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.